Welcome to TJ Snow's Resistance Welding virtual exhibit. We're excited to show you some of the latest resistance welding technology we've been working on, as well as several offerings from our top manufacturers. The new advanced HMI with track and trace brings together the weld control and data log into one easy-to-use package. For increased productivity, you have the ability to scan a barcode prior to welding and have all of the monitored parameters saved and traceable in the data log using the barcode system. Industrial Process Cooling presents a new line of versatile water chillers for a multitude of manufacturing processes, all the way from half-ton to 200-ton large-capacity chillers. Techna offers a vast array of multi-purpose spring balancers. New from Techna is their system for feeding and suspending pneumatic tools. Unitrol Electronics is keeping welding operators safe with the Unitrol Soft Touch Pinch Point Protection System. This Techna rocker arm is efficiently equipped with Unitrol's Soft Touch plus TJ Snow's Tip Dress Kit that utilizes a Techna pneumatic balancer to provide quick and easy access for tip dressing. TJ Snow is known for its first-class training and service. That's why we've adapted our popular in-person seminars into a new virtual training option, featuring interactive online classes that can be customized to fit the needs and applications of your company. TJ Snow has the nation's most complete stock of resistance welding consumables and support equipment. Our experienced customer service team is here to ensure your order is handled quickly and accurately. Or shop our easy online store 24 hours a day. We're pleased to showcase these products and more. Feel free to explore the virtual exhibit and reach out to us with any questions you may have. TJ Snow, helping customers succeed with resistance welding.